Hi, here's some pages from drawing in the Pyranees Mountains, and that actually is a sculpture by a friend of mine, Friedel, his name is. Used to be artists in the Sandbank at the same time, and anyway, and he had some work here. It flew to the mountains. That's a very energetic drawing. Actually goes that way. It's, so hopefully it won't make you too dizzy. I'm turning the camera around. Actually did some paintings as well, but I actually left them behind. It's just focusing on this sketchbook, and then all of a sudden this hilarious butterfly came. It's like got quite a cheeky little face. It's like, okay. It came and sat with me, and like first it sat one way, and then it's like it turned around and was like, okay, I'm also good from this angle. I've actually got a video of that's where I was sitting, so it was a great view for me and the butterfly. And the butterfly brought its friend, so then there was like two butterflies. So it's hilarious. Anyway, that's a little bit of sharing, but yeah, there's a lot more work. This is like one little sketchbook. Obviously I've written some little kind of little prayer kind of thing as well, which I'll share separately.